Hello everyone, welcome back to the online class of Mathematics for Class 3. Myself Pallavi Pandey. Today we will study part 1 of chapter 9, that is money. What is money? Something used to buy goods and services and to pay people for their work is money. For our daily needs, we purchase goods from the market and in exchange we pay money to the shopkeeper. This money is in the form of coins and notes. Now, before starting the chapter, let's understand some important points. We use following two symbols for rupees and paise. For rupees, we use this symbol, and for paise, we use P as a symbol. We use a point for separating rupees and paise. Now, let's understand how to express money in words. Here we have two values, 50 rupees and 35 paise. It is clear we have used sign before and after the amount. So, how we will express rupees 50 and 30 paise in words? So, for rupees 50, we will write 50 rupees and 34 paise. Thus, rupees 50 and 34 paise will be expressed as 50 rupees and 34 paise. Now, how we will express money in figures or in symbolic form? Now, this time we have amount in words, 64 rupees 38 paise. But the question is how we will write the given question or given amount in figure. So, we will express the following amount in the form of number, that is rupees 64.38. Why we are putting a point? Because just before we studied a important point that for separating rupees and paise we will use point. Thus, 64 rupees 38 paise will be written in figure as rupees 64.38 paise. Now we will study conversion of rupees into paise. But before starting this point, let's know one important point, that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. The important rule for this is to convert rupees into paise, we will multiply the amount in rupees by 100. Now let's understand this with an example. Here we have 8 rupees and we have to convert it into paise. So, as per the rule, we will multiply the given amount of rupees with 100. Thus, 8 into 100. Why we are multiplying? Because 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Therefore, 8 rupees is equal to 800 paise. It is a rule also that if we are converting rupees into paise, then we will multiply the given amount of rupees with 100. So, 8 rupees is equal to 800 paise. Let's take one more example. This time we have rupees 25 or 25 rupees. So, how much rupees 25 is equal to how much paise? So, we will multiply 25 with 100. So, 25 rupees is equal to 2500 paise. Now, we will study conversion of rupees and paise into paise. Before we studied to convert only rupees into paise, but now this time if the given amount is in rupees and paise both, then how we will convert the whole value into paise? Let's take one example, but before taking an example, let's understand its rule. So according to its rule, To convert rupees and paise into paise, we will multiply the amount which is in rupees by 100 and then we will add the number to the paise. It means whatever the amount of rupees will be given, we will multiply that amount by 100 and then whatever the product will come, we will add to the given paise amount. So, let's take one example. Here we have 6 rupees and 19 paise. So what will be the value into paise? So according to the rule, we will multiply the given amount of rupees by 100 and then we will add to the given paise. Thus rupees amount is 6, so we will multiply 6 by 100. When we will multiply it by 100, our rupees will be converted into paise and then we will add it with the given paise, that is 19 paise. So 6 into 100 is equal to 600 paise plus 19 paise. So 600 plus 19, yes, the answer will be 619 paise. Thus 6 rupees 19 paise is equal to 619 paise. To make it more clear, let's take one more example. This time we have 25 rupees and 34 paise. Now we have to convert 25 rupees 34 paise into paise. So as per the rule, first of all we will multiply 25 with 100. Why? Because 25 unit is rupees. It is in rupees and first of all we need to convert rupees into paise. So 25 into 100. When we will multiply 25 with 100, the rupees will be changed into paise. Then we have to add 34 paise. Now 25 into 100 is equal to 2500 paise plus 34 paise. Now when we will add 2500 paise and 34 paise, we will get 2534 paise. Thus 25 rupees 34 paise is equal to 2534 paise. Now this time we will study conversion of paise into rupees and paise. Before we were converting rupees into paise, then we studied how to convert rupees and paise into paise. But now this time we will study how to convert paise into rupees and paise. So again, before starting this topic, let's understand its rule. So as per the rule, to convert paise into rupees, we put a point after 2 digits from the right of the given number showing paise. So for understanding this, let's take one example. Here we have 9648 paise. Now the given question is in paise and we have to convert, or we have to find how many rupees are there and how many paise are there in the given question. So as per the rule, we will put a point. Just after the number, just after the 2 digits from the right of the given number. So we will see that this part and this part, from here it is left part, this is right part. So from the right we will put point just after 2 digits. So the 2 digits are 1 and 2. It means before or just before 48 we will put a point. So 96.48. So whatever number is before point, that will be rupees, and whatever number is after point, that will be in paise. Thus 96.48 rupees in paise. We get 96 rupees and 48 paise. Let's understand this with one more example. so that our given all the questions should be clear. So this time we have 1964 paise. So again, as per the rule, from the right we will put point just after 2 digits. So this is left, this is right. So from the right, let's take 2 digits. So 1 digit and 2 digit. So 19, then 0.64. What I said, whatever number is before point, that will be rupees, and whatever number is after point, that will be paise. If we have put the point, no need to write paise here. Hope you understand to conversion of all the points, how to convert rupees into paise, how to convert rupees and paise into paise, and how to convert paise into rupees and paise. Now we will study book exercise and we will understand the question given in our book. So exercise 34, question number 1, write the following amount in words. In question number 1, we have to write the given question into words. So let's take part 1, that is part A, 30 rupees and 65 paise. So what we will do, first of all, we will write the 30 rupees into words. So 30 rupees and now we will write 65 paise into words. So 65 paise. So 30 rupees 65 paise is expressed into word as 30 rupees and 65 paise. Let's take another example. For example, let's take B part, that is 8 rupees and 70 paise. So how we will express into words? So first of all, let's write 8 rupees in words. So 8 rupees and 70 paise. Now let's see the question number 2, that write the following amount in figures. Now we have to write the given question into figures. So let's take A part, that is 46 rupees and 75 paise. So first of all, we will write what is the given amount. First of all, what is the symbol of rupees? So that is this symbol. How many amount is given with rupees? So that is 46. And one important point we studied before, that to separate rupees and paise, we will put a point. So 46 rupees we have written. Now it's time to write the amount of paise. But before writing the amount of paise, we will put a point. Now what the amount is given of paise? So that is 75. And if you are putting a point, or if you have put the point, no need to write the paise symbol. So 46 rupees and 75 paise is written in figure as rupees 46.75 paise or 75 paise. Now let's take one more example, that is 74 paise. It is D part, 74 paise, or it is 74 rupees. ₹74. So no amount is given of paise, so it is simple. First of all, we put the symbol of rupees. So write the symbol of rupees, and then how many amount is given of rupees? So yes, that is 74. Now let's do question number 3, that write the following amount in words. Now this time the question is that we have to write the given amount into words. So part A is rupees 70.35 or 35 paise. So first of all we will write rupees 70 into words. So 70 rupees. For point we will write and how many paise? So 35 paise. Hope you understood how to write the given question or given number amount into words. Now let's take one more example. Let's take G part, that is rupees 0.43. It is very simple because we never write rupees 0 in words. So we will write how many paise it is. So 43 paise. Now let's see question number 4. This is the question of conversion. The question is convert the amount into paise. The amount is given into rupees and we have to convert it into paise. So let's take part A, that is 5 rupees. So we all know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Therefore 5 rupees is equal to, for converting rupees into paise, we will multiply the given amount of rupees into with 100. So 5 into 100 paise. So 5 into 100 is equal to 500 paise. Thus 5 rupees is equal to 500 paise. Now let's take one more example to clear all our doubts. So let's take D part, that is 6 rupees and 69 paise. So first of all we will convert the rupees part into paise. So we all know 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Thus 6 rupees is equal to, so for converting rupees into paise we will multiply the given amount of rupees with 100. So now rupees will be converted into paise. Then we will add it to the given paise. So it is 69 paise. 6 into 100 is equal to 600 paise plus 69 paise. So 600 plus 69 is equal to 669 paise. Now convert each of the following into rupees and paise. Now this time question number 5, it is saying that we have to convert the given amount into rupees and paise both. So let's take part A to 2965 paise. So what we studied for this, what was the rule? That we will take 2 digits from the right and just after that or just before that we'll put a point. So this is the left part, this is the right part. From the right we have to take 2 digits. So first digit, second digit. So 29 rupees, we will put the rupees sign and then we will put a point. And then how many digits? 65. So rupees 29 and 65 paise. Now let's take one more example to clear our doubts. So that is 1001 paise. So left part, right part, then first digit, second digit. So put the sign of rupees. So rupees 10 and then just before these two numbers we will put a point and what is left? 0, 1. Thus rupees 10 point or rupees 10 and 1 paise. Now
thank you all for watching the video. We will continue the same lesson in the part 2 of this chapter. Thank you.